What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back with another video, and today I have the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots S and the Mpow M30s. This is another earbuds under $50. We're gonna check both of these out, see what we got. So without further ado, let's pop these boxes open. Let's get started. Let's do this. You know what's up. Whoa, blah! Alright guys, so let's start with the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. What a big name. Xiaomi AirDots S. It's a mouthful. Let's see what we got in here. Come on. That's empty. Alright, we got the case, got some earbuds, manual, get started guide, bang. No power cable, nada. I don't know, what were these, 20 bucks? I guess you can't blame them for not putting that in. Let's see what we got in here. Pow! Let's take this guy out. It's got some plastic on it, and it's got a covering over here. And get the other one for the connector. Come on! Making me look bad. Bang! In the case. Let's get my phone ready to pair them up. All right. Find new device. How do we get into pair mode? Is there a button? No. Let's take it out. Let's stick it in my ear. Let's see if that does it. Ah, that was it. Ooh, it made a nice little jingle. Boom. So let's take a look at these suckers before we do anything next. Kind of small. Very small, actually. They felt pretty good in my ear right off the bat. I could tell that they were gonna be comfortable. It's super important, as we know. They both have buttons on the side that click. What I'd like to do is first start this out with an audio test. Then I'll pop open the Mpow M30's box, do an audio test on that, and then we'll jump into the mic test. What do you think? Boom. I like it. I don't even know where it's at anymore. Highs sound good. I guess I'm easy to please maybe, but they sound good. Here it comes. Drop that bass. Oh man, it's making my brain rattle. That bass is deep. I like them. Let's see if I can stop it. One tap. One tap pauses. Boom. So definitely got a passive noise cancellation going on because these are an inner ear Bluetooth fit. They feel good. Feels nice. The highs were good. Very crisp. The mids seem solid, and that bass. That was some good bass right there. It was super deep. I felt the vibrations from within. Boom. Let's do a quick head shake test. They're not going anywhere, so that's good. Let's move over to the Mpows. These were recommended by one of you guys. One of you guys that watch the channel. Put it in the comments. You're like, Dave, check these out. I was like, okay, no problem, man. I do it. Terrible accents, right? I'm awful. All right, there we go. Put that guy in there. Put that guy in there. That's actually pretty cool. Check this out. It's all lit up. That's kind of dope. These are 30 bucks. Got some ear tips. Got some ear rings, so a better fit there. These come with oh, these are a nice cable. USB Type-C. These were micro USB, so old school. And this is a flat cable, which is really nice. And auto pair, get started guide, extend your warranty. All right, let's see if we can get this headset paired up. Jump back into my Bluetooth settings. My phone might explode from all these Bluetooth headsets. Quite possible. Let's just take them out, put them in my ear, see if that'll get it into pair mode. Feels different. It just went pairing now that I took the second one out of the case. I see that it's lit up here as an option to select. Let's pair it. Boom. Boom. Connected. Here comes that bass. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm bracing myself. Let's crank it. Bass is okay. It's okay. And it might be good. Let me stop it. I don't need to hear anymore. The highs are good. They're crisp. The mids are okay. The bass is okay. Listen, these are 30 bucks, but these are 20 bucks. There's pros and cons to both of these, right? These Xiaomi Redmi AirDots S's blow the Mpows away. Now, the Mpow's got that USB Type-C, which You know me, USB Type-C everything, right? But, why isn't it stopping? There we go, now it's stopped. But, these Redmis sound friggin' fantastic for 20 bucks. Wow. I say, go out and buy yourself a pair of these if you're looking for a budget headphone. So, that's part A, right? That's part A, step one. Now, we gotta move over to the mic test. So, full disclosure, I've been messing around. I got both of the devices paired up on the PC, no problem, but only on the Xiaomi's was I actually able to use the mic on the PC. I wasn't able to record audio with the Mpows. What I'm gonna actually do is record both audio from the phone. So you get the sample the same way with each earbud. And then I'll allow the audio from the PC to play for the Redmi. That way you can see the less compressed version. All right, so I'm gonna pop these back in the case here. All right, so let's start the voice recorder app. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. How do they sound? Is my voice clear? Like it should be. Like you know it should be. For 30 bucks, wonder how it pops. The sound was great. Hopefully the mic is good too. Let's add a little bit of ambient noise in the background. Alright guys, now this is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. I don't even know what to call these things anymore, but got that ambient noise playing in the background. What do you think? How does it sound? Is it a winner? I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. Mpow, pow, Mpow. I don't know why I like saying it, but I do. Alright, we are paired up. Alright guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Mpow M30s. How does it sound? Am I crisp and clear? Let me know in the comments. Let's get this ambient noise going. Alright, this is the sound of my voice with the ambient noise running in the background while speaking with the Mpow M30s. How do they sound? Is it everything that you hoped for and more? I don't know, but you're going to tell me again in those comments. So let me know everything. Let me know what you think. Woo! That was a lot of work. Back and forth to the PC, messing with it, troubleshooting it. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. What's gonna happen is, right about now, my editor is gonna go back a little bit in time, play the recording that I have on the PC rig. Hit it. This is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi AirDots Redmi. I messed it all up, but you know what I'm talking about. This is the sound of my voice. Now this is the sound of my voice with some ambient noise rolling in the background. Alright guys, so that was the recording on the PC. What'd you think of that? Was it better than on the phone? Let me know. What do you think? What's happening? What's up? If you just want to say hi in the comments, just say hi. I'm here. I'm gonna answer you. That's all I got for you today. If you like this video and I helped you in any way, give it that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll talk to you in the next one. I'm Dave the Phone Guy. Peace!